Little black girl. Little chalky girl. Chalky girl. What? What? Black girl. Chalky girl, chalky girl. There's chalky girl. I think this is the littlest one. Chalky girl, where you going? Chalky girl. You want to do agility? Here's a chalky girl. Look at this. There's the cute little black girl. Black like her mommy. Hi, cutie. Hi, cutie. Hi, cutie. They all look alike. Oh, look at that cute little girl. Let's see, who has, I wonder, that's a big girl. Oh, whoa! Whoa, I almost tripped myself. Hi, little chalky girl. Where's mommy? All right. So that's a pretty big girl. Hi. These are all about the same. I don't know. Oh, you know what we need to do? Put collars on them. And weigh them so that we know who's who. Hi, cutie. Hi, cutie. Hi, cutie. This is little petite chalky girl. Petite chalky girl. Huh? Chalky girl and black girl. Well, that one's visiting Lorraine. Hi, cutie. Oh, you just walk all over everybody. Yeah? You just walk all over everybody? This one's exploring. Hi. Hi, little girl. Hi, little girl. Oh, look at that one dragging herself in the grass. That girl. Chalky girl. What? What? What are you whining about? Look how cute you are. Hi, cutie. Hi, black girl. There they are, all in the same frame. Uh-oh. They're going to follow me. I'm going to move. If I walk, this one follows me.
They like feet.
You like feet? Hi, chalky girl. But I make a shade here. I got to be on the other side. You got to be in the sun. Yay! Oh no, they're chasing me. They're chasing me. Rubbing your belly? Does that feel good? Hi, now you're by my feet. Chalky babies! There she goes. She says, I like this on my belly. Where are you going, Explorer? Is that Dora Explorer?
I'll go on the explorers. Who done on the explorers?
Look at that. Look at that cute face. Hi, cutie. Hi, cutie. Hi, cutie. It's hard to tell them apart.
I know.
Hi, cutie. Hi, cutie.
Is it getting hot?
I like that one.
Yeah.
She looks more like a boy. What? Is that an insult? 2 baby Chalkies. Chalky girls. Here's this one. And there's 4. 4 chocolate girls and a black girl. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. And that one's laying on the ground.
She's getting in the shade. She's hot.
Wow, it's a nice day.
Really?
What? You're demanding, aren't you? Oh, this is 6 minutes. Okay, there's the black girl. Hi, black girl. Hi, cutie. Look how cute you are. Well, I think this is it, huh?